In today's video, we're going to be looking at Microsoft Loop and OneNote. We're going to be looking at Microsoft Loop and OneNote. We want to see which one is best for you. So let's start. Microsoft Loop and OneNote are both powerful tools for collaboration and organization, but they excel in different areas. Let's start with Microsoft Loop. Now, one of the pros of Microsoft Loop is that it's real-time collaboration. So seamlessly, you work together with colleagues on shared documents and projects in real time. It's easily embedded and you can easily embed and interact with live content from various Microsoft 365 apps within a shared canvas. So it's fluid component. It has fluid components. Next, it is dynamic and flexible. Microsoft Loop is adapted to changing needs with a flexible workspace that can be easily customized. It's also tightly integrated with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, making it easy to work with other familiar tools. Let's look at the cons. It is kind of still relatively new because it's under development right now, with some features and functionalities yet to be fully implemented. Another disadvantage, or what I say con, is the fact that it has limited offline capabilities. It requires an internet connection for optimal functionality, and it may require some time to fully grasp the concept of fluid components and collaborative workspaces for you when you're learning how to use it. Now we'll finish examining Microsoft Loop. Now let's look at the next one, which is OneNote. Let's see the advantages, disadvantages, and after that we're going to find out which is best. Let's go. For the pros, we're looking at versatile note taking. So the OneNote is ideal for personal and team note taking, brainstorming, and organizing information. 2. It has rich formatting and multimedia support. So it supports various content types including text, images, audio, and video. It has powerful search and organization, which means it's easily search for specific content and organize information into notebooks, sections, and pages. You can also use it offline and sync changes when back online. Let's look at the cons. Limited real-time collaboration. While multiple users can edit notebooks, real-time co-editing is not as seamless as Microsoft Loop. Also, it is less flexible and adaptable compared to Loop's fluid components and collaborative canvas. Also, while integration is possible, it is not as seamless as Loop's. We're talking about integrating it with other Microsoft 365 apps. Now we'll look at the pros and cons of each of these apps. Let's look at which is better. The choice between Microsoft Loop and OneNote depends on your specific needs and priorities. Choose Loop if you need a dynamic and collaborative workspace for real-time teamwork. Also, if your need is to have seamless integrated live content from various Microsoft 365 apps, then choose Loop. Also, if you prioritize flexibility and adaptability in your workplace, also choose Loop. So these are the 3 main advantages of choosing Loop over OneNote. You get dynamic and collaborative workspace for real-time teamwork. You'll be able to seamlessly integrate live content from various Microsoft 365 apps, and you'll be able to prioritize flexibility and adaptability in your workplace, in your workspace. Now, what if this is not your priorities? Then choose OneNote, especially if you primarily need a versatile note-taking tool for personal or team use. Also, if you value offline access and robust organization features, choose OneNote. If you prefer a more traditional and structured approach to note-taking and information gathering, also choose OneNote. So ultimately, both tools can be valuable assets for productivity and collaboration. So all you need to do is consider your specific use cases and try both tools to see which one better suits your workflow. I believe you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. We'll examine something else that is important. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.